Imagine you just sold your old gaming console for a tidy profit. You're excited to cash in, but how do you get that money out of your Coinbase wallet and into your bank account? It's simpler than you might think. Let's dive in. Coinbase Wallet is a popular digital wallet for storing cryptocurrency. It's a great way to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. But what if you want to convert your crypto back into traditional currency? That's where receiving money from your Coinbase wallet comes in. Step-by-step guide. Open your Coinbase Wallet app. Start by opening the Coinbase Wallet app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Navigate to the Receive tab. Look for the Receive tab or button at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it to proceed. Choose your cryptocurrency. You'll be presented with a list of cryptocurrencies that your wallet supports. Select the cryptocurrency you want to receive funds in. Generate a QR code or wallet address. The app will generate a unique QR code and wallet address for that specific cryptocurrency. You can either copy the wallet address or scan the QR code using your camera. Share the details with the sender. Provide the QR code or wallet address to the person who wants to send you money. Make sure they send the correct cryptocurrency to the correct address. Confirm the transaction. Once the sender has initiated the transaction, you'll receive a notification on your Coinbase Wallet app. Verify the details of the transaction to ensure everything is correct. Wait for confirmation. The transaction will need to be confirmed by the blockchain network. The time it takes for confirmation can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. View your balance. After the transaction is confirmed, you'll see the newly received funds reflected in your wallet balance. Converting to fiat currency, optional. If you want to convert your cryptocurrency into traditional fiat currency, such as USD or Euro, you'll need to use a cryptocurrency exchange. Coinbase itself offers an exchange platform where you can sell your crypto and withdraw the funds to your bank account. Open the exchange platform. Navigate to the exchange section within your Coinbase Wallet app. Select the cryptocurrency to sell. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Choose your withdrawal method. Select your bank account as the withdrawal method. Enter the amount to sell. Specify how much of the cryptocurrency you want to sell. Confirm the sale. Review the details of the sale and confirm it. Wait for processing. The exchange will process the sale, and the funds will be transferred to your bank account. Additional tips and considerations. Security. Always prioritize the security of your Coinbase wallet. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing scams. Fees. Be aware of transaction fees associated with sending and receiving cryptocurrency. These fees can vary depending on the network and the amount being transferred. Network congestion. During periods of high network activity, transaction confirmations may take longer. Regulatory compliance. Ensure that you are complying with any relevant regulations regarding cryptocurrency transactions in your jurisdiction. With that said, receiving money from your Coinbase wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you can easily manage your cryptocurrency funds and convert them to fiat currency when needed. So, go ahead and explore the world of cryptocurrencies with confidence.